Well, hey there again, guys. We're back with the Super Boost pack installed in the car. I say car broadly. Fairly large car. So yeah, as you can see, voltage is dropping. That's the immobilizer and everything else. This battery is not connected. As you can see, though, there is a space enough down here to put 17 amp hour battery, which would certainly stop the voltage decreasing there. And the 17 amp hour battery doesn't weigh that much. But anyway, let's see this start this 3 litre turbo diesel. No bother. Starting back up again, no problem. So yeah, with the addition of a really small battery here, I can keep this pack topped off all night, start on the button the next day, no bother. It's still charging. When's it going to stop? It doesn't want to stop. So there you go. So yes, this will be staying on for the moment.